Elegant Outdoor Design 2025. Small garden and cozy backyard for modern minimalist homes. Step into the future of outdoor living with small garden and cozy backyard landscaping 2025, where elegance seamlessly intertwines with simplicity to craft spaces that are both serene and supremely functional. As architectural design continues to evolve, this year's trend in landscaping highlights the harmonious integration of outdoor environments with modern minimalist homes. Imagine stepping into a verdant oasis where lush greenery is perfectly complemented by sleek, contemporary structures. Here, every corner unfolds a narrative of tranquility, a space where nature's charm is intertwined with modern aesthetics. At the heart of these captivating gardens lies a well-chosen focal decor, perhaps a minimalist water feature that lures you in with its soothing sounds, or a sculptural planter that doubles as a piece of art. These elements serve as anchors for your garden, drawing in calm and joy to enrich daily life. Whether it's unwinding in a cozy reading nook sheltered beneath a pergola, or dining in elegance amidst softly glowing lights, these thoughtfully designed areas invite relaxation and a meaningful connection with the natural world. The transformation of your backyard into a personalized sanctuary begins with the reflection of your own unique style. The 2025 landscaping trends are characterized by clean lines and neutral tones, utilizing sustainable materials that not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space, but also demonstrate a commitment to environmental responsibility. Embrace the art of layering textures. Picture stone pathways leading you through your garden, wooden decks offering a rustic charm, and soft, flowing grasses that add movement and depth. The nights come alive with a touch of warmth through ambient lighting, string lights draping effortlessly above, or solar-powered lanterns casting a gentle glow, extending the enchantment of your garden well into the evening hours. Thoughtful details like vertical gardens bring an innovative twist, utilizing walls or fences for lush displays, while a statement fire pit becomes a gathering spot, adding warmth and vibrancy. In these spaces, even small gardens can feel expansive, inviting, and alive. This approach to landscaping transcends mere aesthetics. It's about creating a backdrop for life's precious moments. Envision yourself enjoying a serene morning with a cup of coffee, enveloped by the colors and fragrances of blooming flowers, or gathering friends for an intimate evening under the stars, where laughter echoes in harmony with nature's night sounds. Small Garden and Cozy Backyard Landscaping 2025 serves as your guide in crafting an outdoor retreat that nurtures the soul and instills joy. Here, your garden is not just an extension of your home, but a reflection of your love for simplicity, beauty, and harmony. Begin this transformative journey today and witness your backyard flourish into a realm of endless inspiration and peace, a heartfelt oasis where tranquility and cherished memories dwell.